value of 256 whole to the power of 0.16 into 256 whole to the power of 0.09. See, if you observe here, base is 256. So powers are different. So you have to add the powers. So 256 whole to the power of 0.16 plus 0.09. So if you add the powers 0.16, 0.09, so you get so 0.25. So 0.25. So now this is equal to so 256 whole to the power of 0.25. So now this is equal to so 256 whole to the power of 0.25 we can write as 25 by 100. So 25 by 100 is nothing but so 1 by 4. 25 ones and 25 fours. So 256 whole to the power of so 1 by 4, right? So now this is equal to so we can write as so this is so 16 into 16 is 256, right, whole to the power of 1 by 4. So now this is equal to 4 square into 4 square we can write so is equal to whole to the power of 1 by 4. This is equal to so 4 to the power of 4 whole power 1 by 4. So 4 gets cancelled. This is equal to 4 power 1, that is 4. So which of the following is equal to x? See, we have to find the solution of this is from the options, right? From the options we have to find the solution. So now if you see the first option, so we have 12th root of so x power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this is we can write as x power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 is like a power m whole to the power of n, that is a to the power of m into n. So x power 4 into 1 by 3, that is x power 4 by 3. So 12th root of, so that 12th root of we can write as so 1 by 12. So now this is equal to again the formula, it is in the form of a power m whole to the power of n. So that is equal to, we know that, so a power m into n, so that is a power mn. So now this is x power, so this is so 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 1 by 12. So this is you can reduce so 4 3s are 12. So this is equal to x to the power of 1 by 9. So this is not is equal to x, right? If you come to the second option, so what is we have the second option? This is first option, right? The second option we have here, second option we have here, so x power, second option is x to the power of 12 by 7 minus x power 5 by 7. So which is not possible, which is not possible. We cannot simplify these type of subtractions. So that's why which is not possible. So next, if you come to the third option, so third option we have a, so here cube root of that is root x cube whole to the power of so 2 by 3. So this is we can write as so root x cube means x power 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 2 by 3. So now this is equal to, so like a power m whole to the power of n, this is we can write as x power 3 by 2 whole to the power of 2 by 3. So again we can apply here also. So a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So now this is equal to, so a to the power of mn. So now this is x to the power of 3 by 2 into, so 2 by 3. So 2 gets cancelled and 3 gets cancelled. So x power 1. So this is equal to x. So next if you come to the fourth option, x power 12 by 7 into x power 7 by 12 we have. X power 12 by 7, the fourth option is x to the power of 12 by 7. So into x to the power of 7 by 12. Here also if you observe the bases are same. So that's why this is equal to x power. So 12 by 7. So plus 7 by 12. So now if you simplify, so this is also will not be is equal to x. So that's why what is our option? So from the third option we are getting x. So that's why, so the third option is correct, right? So next if you see that we have the 2 root 3 plus root 3. So here 2 root 3 plus root 3. Root 3 means 1 root 3. Both are like terms. So that's why this is equal to, if you add, see here 2 root 3 and here 1 root 3. So this is equal to, if you add, you get 3 root 3. So that's why this is equal to, so 3 into root 3. So our option is a 2.